Okay, so this is that final look. I told you I was gonna look better. It looks boom. Hey y'all, so today I will be reviewing and demoing the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. And I picked up the color 312 Golden. 312 Golden. So I already got my eye makeup done. Someone just came up with any brows, girl. Oof. We ain't here for that. So I'm gonna do skin prep. I already moisturized my skin. I used the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. And because it's a drugstore foundation, I'm gonna try to stay in the drugstore range, just in case you want to pick it up and you want to, you know, kind of use drugstore products with this. So I think I'm using it mostly Maybelline products mostly for the base. First, I'm gonna start off with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Yeah, I know normally I use the e.l.f. one, so today I'm gonna use this one. I haven't used this one in a while and I'm almost out. You know, I love silicone based primers. So this is not a first impression. This is not the first time I've worn it. I just want you guys to see it and I just want to review it for you all. I'm kind of feeling it, okay? I'm kind of feeling it. I'm kind of feeling it for several reasons, okay? So, one of the first reasons, I never read the claims of anything. I never go by, you know, what it's supposed to do and what it's not supposed to do. I'm never that girl because I think most people just see and see 24-hour makeup, some new, let me try it. My old foundation don't work, and a lot of times the reason why some of y'all old foundation doesn't work is because it's expired or you've been had it for too long. So maybe try to check there, look for expiration dates. And so this foundation can range from $8.99 to $12.99. That's the price range. I think I got mine right at the $9 mark because I got it from Walmart. But you know, if you go to Walgreens, CVS, there's like $11.99, $12.99. You know, they be busting heads. So good thing about this is it does come with a pump. It does have a pump. And you guys know well, if you're new to my channel, hey. But if you're not new, you already know that I love the Real Technique buffer brush. And it's not like I have other product on here. I used this foundation this weekend, so I did use this brush for this. So I'm just gonna dab it up on my face. And I'm just gonna put it on one side first. And I got like a pump on, 2 pumps on the back of my hand. Probably a little too much. So I'm gonna blend it. So I'm zoomed in. This foundation look wrong. It look wrong, but it's right. This is a side with foundation. And then this is side with no foundation. Okay, so this is a little better. I had my brightness up just probably a little too much. Just side with the foundation. This is without the foundation. I don't know if it really made a difference. Oh, but anyway, I'm going to use some Maybelline Better Skin Concealer, which I didn't use that night, but I told you guys I'm going to try to stick with the Maybelline. You're new to my channel, then you don't know nothing about this. Love the Minis Contour Stick have. And it's by Wet n Wild. And another tidbit about this foundation is that product glides on it. No tugging, no foundation loss. Because some products, you cannot be so hard and harsh with them because it moves it and shifts it. And so now I'm going to take the Maybelline sponge and blend all this out. I'm going to use the butt part for the bronzy contour and just pounce it into my skin.
Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. You better kiss me before they turn the lights out. Ooh, your heart.
Okay, now I'm gonna bronze the skin and finish the rest of my face and then come back so I can see. But it does look very, very good. It has a nice little hefty glow to it. Even though this is a little of the concealer because it's supposed to be better skin. And you can see it. It looks really, really good. Really, really good. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the end face. Boom, boom, boom. Told y'all it was gonna look good. It looks perfect. Look at my hands and my face. Yes, yes, yes. So if you don't know my skin type, I am normal-ish, dry-ish desert. So I'm a normal dry desert, and so what that means is that I have to sometimes overly moisturize my face, overly oil my face, and I probably sometimes need to sleep in a face mask at night before I put on makeup, because if not, then it's just go the wrong way. But today, because I did oil my face earlier in the day, and I've been oiling it for a couple of days because my skin been dry. Right here on my nose, it isn't it's cluttered up. The foundation isn't, it's cluttered up like it normally be around my nose because it's the driest part. It's just like the creases of my nose. My nose is the most irritating part about foundation. That's why I always put like the smallest layer. I don't contour my nose often because when I do, just see out of texture, and there's nothing they can take that away. That's just my nostrils. Maybe I need to go get some of these blackheads removed out my nose, but that's neither here or there. Forehead, that's fine, and I just recently seen that I have like fine lines in my forehead, and I don't want them, but they're there, and it's like right in here. I didn't notice any foundation settling. I also smile, laugh, and play a lot. I don't have those problems either. What I'm telling y'all is that if your skin is dry, then baby, you gonna have to moisturize it. You're gonna have to deep condition it. If not, you're not going to be fond of the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. Not gonna be fond of it. If you are oily skin, gonna love it. If you're normal skin, you're going to love it. And if you like light makeup, you might shear it out with an oil or something, or some type of moisturizer, because I think this has the potential to be like a medium coverage BB cream for people that don't like full coverage. This is for them girls that like to be glam. It's for full coverage babies, because I have a lot of darkness in my face from bumps and stuff that I pick with that I ain't supposed to be touching. And they're absolutely not showing. The highlight though. Okay guys, so if you like this review and you like my foundation reviews where, you know, I go through foundations and let y'all know how I feel about them, then thumbs up this video. If you like me and my personality, then subscribe to my channel. And then if you want to know some more stuff in detail, and you just want to go through the links, something that I didn't go over, something that you might want to ask, then leave your girl a comment. I'm always down there. I live it down there. I live in the comment section because I just like to talk, especially about makeup. So until next time, beautifuls, be you. Bye.